This is coding lab 5. First thing we did was we redefined the get distance function to accept 4 arguments, which would be basically the enemy coordinates and player coordinates, and then we make distance formula using this formula here given. The distance formula, distance between 2 points. So you just put that in the working code here, return distance between the two. Then you do the enemy move function. This is essentially the same thing as the player move function, the difference being you want to make the distance between the enemy and the player the shortest with each move. So we store values saying, like, if you move left, what the distance will be; if you move right, what the distance would be between the two; if you move up, what the distance would be between player and enemy. Same thing here, down, if you distance between player and enemy. And then we have an if statement checking to see the minimum value or the minimum distance. And then we just handle those accordingly. Like if minimum is left, the minimum distance between the two is going to result from the left movement. Then then you increment here. The reason we divide by distance here, or I'm sorry, divide distance by 10, is just to shorten the enemy movement, so they don't like sprint you down when you have to key press every time and they're just running on a loop. So this makes it a little less intimidating to move around the map without getting caught. So that and then other than that, this checks for the barriers and won't let you move through barriers, the same as the move function would. Checks the rows and columns. Gets the cell number or the cell coordinates. Yeah, and then other than that, just uploading pictures into the file to represent the player and the enemies and the barriers. So we run this, you can see the enemies moving the shortest distance. So I'll move here too. And then as per the instructions, they will get caught on the barrier here. Let me see if I can get these stuck. I just can't move up because he's caught. This one's caught on. Oh, it's not. Let's see. Let's get them to. It's caught on the barrier here. This other one will get caught eventually. Maybe shouldn't make the distance movement so small. There's caught. Now they'll chase me again because the shortest distance is down. That's everything pretty much.